In this video, let's see how to use Signeasy for Sheets to map templates and send documents for signature. In your Google Sheets, select Extensions from the navigation bar. Choose Configuration under the Signeasy for Sheets menu to connect your account. A pop-up will appear asking you to authenticate. Once you approve it, your Signeasy account will be connected. Go back to the extension, and under Signeasy for Sheets, select Template Mapping from the drop-down. A new pop-up will open. Select the contract template you want to send, then map the roles to the template's predefined roles on Signeasy. Next, switch to the Merge Field Mapping tab and map the fields to the columns in your Google Sheet. This will pre-fill the information in the contract. Select the rows in the spreadsheet for the recipients you want to send the contract to. In the Extensions menu, hover over Signeasy for Sheets and select Send for Signature. In the confirmation pop-up, click Yes to proceed with sending the signature requests. You can see the contracts being sent in real time. Once they're all sent, you'll see a success message. And that's it. You have bulk sent contracts for signature from your Google Sheets using the Signeasy integration. You can track the progress of your contracts in the Signeasy app in the Waiting for Others section.